Hello, Western New York. I'm Joe from Eckle's Restaurant, and this is our chef, Maria.
Hello.
It's September, and next month is October, and you know what that means? Oktoberfest and German food. And where else to get it but here at Eckle's Restaurant from our very own chef, Maria, who is from
Berlin, Germany.
Berlin, Germany. So what we're preparing today is Rouladen, which is a famous German dish.
Yeah.
What are some of the ingredients we have in here, Maria? The ingredients.
The ingredients, it's meat, mustard, pickles, bacon and onions.
Onions.
And then it's roll it.
We're going to roll it up. Maria's going to do that real fast. So we're going to do that, watch Maria do it, throw it in the oven for an hour and a half, and then we're going to try it after. So let's see Maria go to work here.
Okay. First
Mustard.
You put the mustard on.
Yes.
After this, I forget. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. And the rouladen we are going to be serving next month, all of October on Tuesday nights next month. All of the month of October. Tuesday nights, rouladen. Bacon, pickles, onion.
Okay, and now
How many of these you think you've made in your lifetime?
a lot. A lot.
A lot.
I don't count it, but it's a lot. And to hold all together, put a spoon in it.
So you're gonna bake these for how long? An hour and a half?
Yeah.
At what temperature?
Around 350,
Around
400.
350, 400 degrees?
Yeah, it always depends how good is the oven.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you in an hour and a half.